It's a great privilege for me to issue a statement on the day 100 years celebration of Humanities and Social Studies as the rector of the Sripali campus affiliated to University of Colombo. Sripali campus had a long history. This start basically with the name given by Honorable Guru Rabindranath Tagore on an invitation made by Wilmot Pereira, whose land actually donated for this campus. This campus actually not in the metropolitan area of Colombo. It's 46 kilometers away from Colombo. It's in a beautiful place. And also this campus is in a rock as well as surrounded by a lot of trees, and this is where we call a green campus. So one and only green campus in Sri Lanka is Sripali campus. So Sripali campus normally we start with 1999. This was specifically established as a place, as a campus affiliated to University of Colombo to teach mass media, performing arts. So these are the two main departments we have at the moment. So mass media, one and only degree, and Masters of Mass Media, one and only postgraduate is conducted by Sripali campus. So Sripali campus training most of our graduates to go for these media institutions as well as connected institutions, local and international. Our degrees are well recognized worldwide. So humanities and social science, the creativeness and the creativity coming with our graduates. So this is academic as practical. Apart from mass media studies, we have performing arts. Now performing arts, it's actually incorporated with one side drama, one side film studies, arts and design. So wherever you find our creative graduates, we are training them theoretically as practically to get the best out of the best. So what they produce to Sri Lanka is worldwide recognized as well as innovative. Most of our students, they try to take now patent. That will be an extra income for our campus. As well as very soon we are going to start the MPhil PhD program for mass media as well as performing arts. Apart from this, we have IT department. UGC really supported us with the Ministry of Education. So we are coming with the IT department, that is with the Millennium Goals, SDG goals, to train the students. So not like in Colombo University, this is where area called Kalutara district. It's 46 miles away. So in that case, this is where the community reach programs we are conducting, as well as we are having the languages department. In the languages department, we are conducting Hindi, Tamil, English and other languages, as well as Korean language. So therefore, this campus serve the Millennium Goals, SDG goals to fulfill, as well as this is where the community outreach projects. So we are doing the one and only campus radio we are having. So the campus radio, we are having a lot of programs to educate students, their education as well as their creative studies, we are actually doing it. So campus radio is a community-based radio which really giving the voice for the voiceless in this community reach. So all these were education. Education is where we are trying to do the best. So we parallel with other universities and other campuses as well as Sripali name is where world market symbol name. Thank you.